Hiya, it's me Gloria and welcome to my channel. Good morning, it's like 12 p.m. almost 2 p.m. in the morning and I just woken up, so bear with my puffy face. And as you guys already know by the thumbnail that I'm gonna do a food challenge, that is I'm gonna eat different flavored ramen noodles for 24 hours, like in the morning, in the lunch and in the evening snacks and dinner. So yeah, and I got different flavor noodles from Coca, and this video is not sponsored by them, everything is from my own money, and I hope they taste better because I have spent a lot on them and I really love Maggie. So একটার দামে 4-5টা ম্যাগি চলে আসতো, so I hope they taste better than Maggie. And so I'm gonna try one of them now, and I think I'm gonna try this one, that is paper crab one. So let's make it, but I got one problem, that is I forgot to tell my mother that I'm not gonna eat today. Like, I basically woke up late in the morning, I never do breakfast, I directly do brunch. But today I forgot to tell my mother that I'm not gonna do the lunch, and she already made my food. So I think দুপুরে আমি মামনির ঝাড়ু খাবো নুডলসের সাথে. So anyway, let's prepare the noodles. So the first noodles for breakfast is ready, and now I'm gonna eat it and tell you guys if it does taste better than Maggi or not. দেখতে যেরকম সাদা সাদা হয়েছে, তো আমার মনে হচ্ছে না এটা ভালো খেতে হবে. Let's try it. It is tasty. It has really strong flavor of crab. It is not spicy, but it is, I don't know, it is what to call it, very mild, simple but tasty flavor. I liked it and it tastes better than Maggi. So the start is good.
I'm happy. Although quantity is same as Maggi, like Maggi to appetite or
So my breakfast is done. It was very successful, as you guys can see, and it was really tasty actually. So এরপর আমার খিদে পেলে আমি লাঞ্চ করবো, so lunch করে নিতে with another flavor of noodles. For lunch I'm going to try these black pepper noodles. So let's mix it. Hi everyone, it's almost 3:30 p.m. and after having breakfast I took shower and then got little ready, and now I'm going to have my lunch, which is black pepper ramen noodles. Let's try this. This is tasty, but I like the one I had in my breakfast, like crab one, I guess. I like that better.
this is so good tasty. After having this lunch, I think I might directly do my dinner because I'm doing lunch really late. So I might not eat anything in the evening, but I'm happy with it.
my lunch is done, the bowl is empty, and thank God it was really tasty. Like, I really liked it. If you give me option Maggi or this one, I might choose this one, and it was a success. And now let's directly meet in the dinner time. Bye bye. I'm going to try this chicken satay flavor, satay chicken flavor. Everyone, it's 8 p.m. and I am having my dinner, which is satay chicken flavor ramen noodles. I'm having dinner early because I haven't eaten anything in the evening because I did lunch really late, like it was 3 p.m. or 3:30. So I'm directly doing dinner and I'm really excited to try this flavor because it is chicken flavor noodles. I hope it tastes better than the previous one. Let's try this. It is good. It is definitely better than the previous one, and it has that chicken satay flavor. I'm liking it, but do I really like to try it again? No. It is good.
But our Maggi is Zinabad. Although I like the first one, like I would really like to try it again.
Hey guys, I have finished my dinner and I'm ending this video right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video, although I regret buying all these noodles. And do let me know guys if you want me to try some other noodles or want me to do some food challenge in the comment box. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Love ya. Don't forget to subscribe.